Jai Sriman-Narayana. 46th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tapasvibhyaha adhiko yogi jnanibhyopi matodhikaha karmibhyascha adhiko yogi tasmat yogi Bhavarjuna. Om. Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging you to think about yourself, not the body. Thinking about yourself is Atma Dhyanam, because Atma Dhyanam is considered to be the superior to those who does tapasya, superior to those who are intellectuals. Atma Dhyanam is even superior to those who does just rituals. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall realize that Atma Dhyanam, thinking about myself, is superior to those who does tapasya, to those who are intellectuals, even superior to those who are just ritualists. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall start Atma Dhyanam with immediate effect. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Krishna, Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu 10th Skandhamu 18th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra," Vasudeva saying to Kamsa like this, "O Kamsa, I will give away all the children who are born to Devaki. You can kill them and you can get rid of your death. But please leave Devaki now. Like that, when Vasudeva said, Kamsa's mind is changed. He accepted that. After that, Vasudeva appreciated Kamsa, praised Kamsa, and went back to his home. After some time, Devaki and Vasudeva gave birth to few children. Putran prasuvecha ashtau kanyancha evanu vatsaram. Devaki nikhila deva bhavamu tanakerpadan yetanokanilekkanu kodukula nenamanru nokka kootunganiyen. Devaki, the one who is form of all the devatas, gave birth to 8 sons. Every year one son. Like that, 8 sons and 1 daughter is born to them. Devaki gave birth to them. So the first son's name is Kirtimanta. Now Vasudeva, because he gave a word to Kamsa, he want to stand on that, and then Arpayamasa Kruchrena. With so much of grief, he gave that first son to Kamsa. O Parikshit Narendra, in this world there is no such a trouble that cannot be endured by enlightened people. So enlightened people can endure any exceeding amount of grief, trouble. So also those who have Atma Tattva Jnanam, Vidusham Kim Apekshitam, for them there is no such thing in this entire world that is desired by them. So also for those who have cruel nature, there is no such activity that is not being done by, there is no such bad activity that is not being done by those cruel nature people. They can do any kind of bad activities. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 46th sloka. Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi Jnanibhyopi matodhikaha Karmibhyaschadhiko yogi Tasmad yogi bhavarjuna. Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi jnanibhyopi matodhikaha karmibhyaschadhiko yogi tasmat yogi bhavarjuna. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.